Hello, I'm Katrina Robinson, the Sales Manager for Tax and Accounting from Thomson Reuters, and with me today is Mark Hucklesby, the National Technical Director for Grant Thornton. Thanks for your time today, Mark. Just got a few questions. So what is different about this year's model financial statements?
Well, I think a key change for those people that have subscribed previously is that we've structured the indexes and all of the material along the 4 different tiers of reporting that exist for for-profit entities. And therefore it should make it much easier to find the material. We've introduced for the first time illustrative examples of the reduced disclosure regime, or RDR. And since model financial statements are all about disclosure, there are plenty of examples and material to go through to deal with that, which will be faced by Tier 2 reporting companies. And I suppose the third and probably most exciting development is that not only have we got model financial statements in the hard copy, but we've got it also online using Thompson Reuters Checkpoint platform to basically hyperlink the material that you would have in a disclosure checklist back to the standards, back to the illustrative financial statements and to workbooks and the like. So you can really kind of triangulate and get a full understanding of what the IFRS requirements are and the NZICA requirements are going forward.
Okay, so I take it you're excited about the prospect of being more able to readily access the XRB standards on Checkpoint?
Well, yeah, as a National Technical Director, of course I'm excited, but I'm excited also by the fact that what we've done with Checkpoint and the new platform is allow people to access the information really quickly and really efficiently. The fact that you can do word searches across all the accounting standards, get it in a format that you can then cut and paste into Word documents or the like, it's far more user-friendly than the PDF structure that is currently provided on the XRB website. And citing financial statements and drawing out that information you need to prepare reports is a lot easier on the new platforms we've provided.
Definitely. So what are the types of financial reporting entities that are included in model financial statements?
Well, we've kept with the same types of entities that we've had before. So we've got listed companies, we've got ordinary companies, we've got smaller businesses, we've got trusts, we've got partnerships, and we also illustrate farm accounts. And when the standards do finally get released in terms of public sector and not-for-profit areas, we'll have support in that area as well. So it really is a complete spectrum.
Excellent. So you've just released an IFRS Workbook. Could you explain a little bit more about this?
Yeah, well, that IFRS Workbook has really come about from being involved in IFRS for the last 15 years or so. And what we've tried to do is identify the most commonly asked questions around IFRS, and particularly some of the calculations, and show how the journal entries fall out from the calculations that need to be made. So in some of the more complex areas like deferred tax or accounting for derivative financial instruments, how do you go about setting up the journal entries and posting them through the life cycle of a derivative? We've got all of that and a lot more in the IFRS Workbook.
Excellent. So what are the benefits of the ongoing benefits of the complete financial reporting package?
Well, I suppose the ongoing benefits is that it is a package and it's going to be continually updated. We will have seminars held occasionally. We will be providing quarterly updates and just really doing all that we possibly can to keep people up to speed so that there are no last-minute surprises in the area of financial reporting.